Welcome students to Chemistry Concept. This is Pankaj Singh and now we are going to discuss about Grignard reagent, and more accurately we'll discuss that why can't we prepare or store Grignard reagent in presence of water, or why is it prepared and stored in anhydrous condition. Okay. So before we start the video, if you have not done yet, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon, so whenever a video is uploaded you come to know about this. We keep on uploading a number of videos on regular basis for chemistry obviously. So let's start. So the question is, why is Grignard reagent prepared or stored under anhydrous condition? So before this, let's have a look what is the Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent is something which looks like this. How is it prepared? See, let's say I have Rx, alkyl halide. This alkyl halide is treated with magnesium in presence of, yes, obviously, dry ether as a solvent. Then magnesium attaches itself, or it comes in between the carbon and halogen bonds, resulting into formation of R Mg X, Grignard's reagent. Now there's a question, what makes this Grignard reagent so special is, see, if you have a look at the alkyl halide, the bond is polar, but the halogen gets partial negative charge and the carbon gets partial positive charge, because halogen is more electronegative than carbon, obviously. So whenever we break this bond, what we get generally is a carbocation and a halogen. Perfectly. But if you look at the bond here, the bond between carbon and the magnesium, obviously magnesium is a metal, it cannot get a negative charge, it's electropositive metal. So the magnesium gets the partial positive charge here and the negative charge is over the carbon. So whenever this bond is broken, we get carbon with a negative charge, Mg(X) with a positive charge. So this is the species which makes Grignard reagent this much stable, carboanion. This is the only method by which we can prepare a carboanion. So whenever we need a carbon with a negative charge, we use Grignard reagent. Okay. So now let's discuss that why is the dry condition. We always avoid presence of moisture. We always avoid this, okay, when we are preparing Grignard reagent then, and also when we are storing it, we cannot allow this Grignard reagent to come in contact with water. See, the reason is, it's very simple. See, let's say I have Grignard reagent R Mg(X). Done. I reacted with water. Okay, so if I talk about the polarity, as we had discussed just here, the carbon will have partial negative charge, the magnesium will have partial positive charge. Okay. Now if I talk about water, water is made up of H positive and OH negative. So obviously the positive proton gets attached to the carbon and the OH gets attached to the magnesium, resulting into formation of RH plus Mg(X) and OH. That means if there is a moisture, if there is a water present around, Grignard reagent reacts with the water and gets converted into hydrocarbon. Perfect. So we always avoid presence of water, because if there is any water, the Grignard reagent will react with that water and get converted into corresponding hydrocarbon. If I give you an example, let's explain this with an example. Let's understand this with an example. Let's say I have CH3 MgBr, methyl magnesium bromide, the Grignard reagent. Okay, this will react with water to give CH4 plus MgBrOH. The methyl magnesium bromide converts into methane, the hydrocarbon. And this is not the case only with water. Actually, the statement is whenever the Grignard reagent reacts with proton donor, this type of reaction takes place. Now, proton donors, anything which provides H positive, may be water, as it is given here. This may be another molecule, alcohol. If the RMgX reacts with an alcohol molecule, see, alcohols also have polarity, that the carbon is partial negative, magnesium is partial positive in Grignard reagent. In alcohol, the carbon is, this RO part is partially negative and hydrogen is partially positive. So H goes with R, resulting into formation of R H plus MgX OH. So it's not only with the water, but anything which can donate proton, be it water, alcohol, phenol, any acid, or anything which can donate a proton. Whenever Grignard reagent comes in contact with proton donors, it converts into corresponding hydrocarbon. I hope this was clear to you. If not, you can always ask in our comment section. Please don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if not done yet. Thanks for watching.